Hello, you are now looking at Penny, beautiful Bengal cat, who appears very interested in what I am holding in my hand. What could I be holding? A catfisher. And he loves these little mice. They're $7 for 10. And they're the perfect size to be nimble enough on the rod for him to be able to get them. And they have basically this little felt ear that makes a good attachment point. That way when he gets it, he can actually get to keep it without the line keeping on it. Let's hope things work as according to plan. He usually likes it better if it gets some cover. That way you can kind of make it look like it's scurrying. He almost got it there. That was almost enough force to rip it out. Oh, he almost got it again. This would be easier with a cameraman. You have to be careful of getting this thing caught in little random objects. Clearly, I'm going to add this in post-production. But it's the lightweight and these mice that make them really good. Makes them act a lot more realistically as they move across the ground. Real plant prey in the wild like to play dead when they're in the mouths of a predator. I can almost expect this.